Hey guys, my name is Jose Manuel Izarralde. I'm a young cook from Mexico City, and together with Logisticacreativa, we've paired to do this activation, this set of challenges that would drive us through these uncertain times, these very boring times, these very dull times in our homes with a little bit more creativity, with a little bit more passion. The same passion that we share from the kitchen into their realm of creativity, of making things happen, thinking outside the box. We want to encourage you to do with this sort of techniques and tips you're going to learn in these videos, with this set, with this gift, with this activation that we're doing. We want you to do more with less, or with more. Doesn't matter if you have all the resources in the world and all the arrays of like a beautiful market next to you, or you're stuck with whatever you have in your cabinet, in your cabinets. That's where true creativity comes into play, because we need to think outside the box, and we need to be relentless. We always need to deliver, whether it is for a client or dinner party with some friends, or through our family that we promised them we would do a turkey this Thanksgiving. It doesn't matter. We'll make it happen. We'll get the job done. That's what I think my sort of cooking and Logisticacreativa have in common, is that we get it done no matter what, with a lot of creativity. So stay positive, stay active, stay creative, and stay cooking. Keep on cooking with us, guys.